It was a vehicular accident that happened October 3 in the Anghare, Alabang, Cavite area. I was driving all alone. There was this. I had that accident, and the next thing I knew, wala na akong malay noon. I ended up here at San Juan de Dios Hospital at the intensive care unit. I didn't know what was happening. It was really painful. And then, yun nga, nawalan ako ng malay. But in a way, I was in comatose.
He was in the ICU for 9 days. So, wala talaga siyang memory about yung nangyari sa kanya. His brain was swollen. Yung sabi ng doctor, swollen yung brain niya. Ang sabi ng doctor, it will take 6 months daw para makarecover, to remember. Sabi ng doctor. Noon sa ICU, hindi alam nung mga doctors. Pinapainom ka siya nung complete. Kasi nakita ko yung effect sa akin. So, binigyan ko siya. Remarkable yung recovery niya. Gumising siya. Tapos, nagulat din yung doctor niya sa recovery niya na parang biglaan. So, hindi na siya hindi na nag-operate. Yung doctor, hindi na kailangan ng operation. Sabi ng doctor, mas swerte siya. Saka nagulat din yung doctor na ganun kabilis yung recovery niya. Kasi nag-start na nag-swell down yung swelling sa brain niya. He stayed there for two more weeks sa hospital niya. Pero during those 2 weeks na yon, nag-improve yung memory niya. Nakilala na nga ako, alam niya yung pangalan ko, alam niya yung pangalan ng mga anak namin. Pati yung mother niya, alam niya yung pangalan. It started sa mga names. They can even text. Nakatext mo siya sa hospital, nagulat ko rin. Nakataon siya. Dati nung hindi niya ma-recognize kung ano yung cellphone. Hindi niya alam kung anong tawag din. Kasi I believe na kaya kahit 2 capsules. Kahit na, basta regular lang, na-continuous din yung intake niya nun, I believe na makaka-recover siya. Saka dati may complaints of headache. Pag medyo late na during the days, masakit yung ulo niya, masakit, saka malabo yung mata niya. Tapos, nung C24/7 na yung tinitake niya after a month, January na yun, na-observe niya na hindi na sumasakit yung ulo niya. Tapos, medyo hindi na ganun kalabo din yung mata niya. Hindi ako na-surprise na positive yung effect niya. Alam ko na ganun yung magiging effect sa kanya. Kasi na-prove ko na sa sarili ko na nakakatulong sa kanya yun. So, kumbaga, waiting na lang. Ang time na lang will tell. Yun na lang inaantay ko yung time na dumating na makaka-recover siya, na ma-regain niya yung memory niya. Ngayon, unti-unti, after nang nagtitake pa rin siya niya, 2 times a day na, yung C24/7. Or I'm glad na merong product na C24/7 na food supplement na that can help us, especially my husband, to recover dun sa temporary na memory loss niya.
Doon ko lang naalaman na all the time, the reason why I had a very fast recovery, it was because of this product of Global. And I knew for a fact, yes, okay, I should have died. That was given. I should have died. And I know the Lord gave me a second chance in life. The important thing is I'm back. I'm back with my life because of the Lord, and I have a strong life, a new life, very strong and very happy because of C24/7.